Hi guys, Steve Blackard here. Hey, this is another video on 6-volt generator repair, and I wanted to share this new tool I picked up at Hershey this year. This is a K R.Wilson tool for sanding in the brushes on a generator. Now, a while back I did a video on how to sand in brushes using the armature and using the commutator here by wrapping sandpaper around the commutator and sanding the brushes on the brush plate so the ends of the brushes fit the shape of the commutator. And that works really well, and that's normally what I do. But this tool is kind of neat. K R.Wilson made it, and there's several variations of it. This one works on the 29 to 30 style brush plate. But what it has, it's got a drum here that is essentially the same diameter as the commutator on a generator. And it has a piece of sandpaper that is wrapped around it and locked in through a groove here. And so we fit the brush plate onto this and then turn a crank on the back here, and it turns that drum and it sands the ends of the brushes to the proper contour to match the commutator. So I'm going to show you how this works. So here is a brush plate. This is a generator I'm working on restoring right now. Now there's an alignment pin down here at the bottom of the tool, and that engages a little notch here on the side of the brush plate. Now the later generators don't use a notch. They've got a pin set into the plate, so it won't work in this tool. So to install this, I'm just going to slip it up on here, and I got to pull the brushes back because they're spring loaded to slip it up over the sanding drum. And then once I get it in place, I've got to orient it to point where that little pin is engaging the slot in the brush plate. I'm going to rotate a little bit here. So once it's in place here, the brushes are all laying against that 220 grit sandpaper I have in there, and I'm going to go ahead and rotate it, and we're just going to sand those brushes in. If you can see that through the window here, and it just sands those brushes. You don't have to do a lot, but we just need to get that contour of the end of the brush so it matches the commutator, so they get full contact on the individual commutator bars. Because a lot of the brushes made today aren't not ground very well. They're kind of universal, so they really need to be sanded in to fit properly. All right, that should do it. And you can see this little hand crank on the back here. So that's what all it takes, really. So now I just pull this off. I'm going to have some dust down here from sanding it off, and that collects down in the bottom. Pull it off here, and you can see the sanding dust that comes off it. And now, I don't know how you can see this, but the faces of the brushes are sanded in, and they fit that commutator really well now. So anyway, just a short video. I wanted to show you this kind of neat K R.Wilson tool, and this is just another one of the many steps I do when rebuilding a generator. So hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Thanks. Bye.